Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I'm about to show you some of the new spoilers that we just found for the BoxyCharm May base box and also the premium box. And I know a lot of people's already received theirs, but for those of you who haven't, these could be things that are coming in your boxes. And for those of you that just like seeing what's in everybody else's boxes and what's going to be in the boxes, this video is for y'all. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing a confirmed spoiler for the BoxyCharm June boxes. Thank you so much, Priscilla Acosta. Priscilla says, hey, hun. Well, hey, Priscilla, honey, how are you doing? It's always good to see you down there in the comments, and honey, you are quick with that bell. I really appreciate that, and thank you so much for coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either search bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first of all, I'm going to show you the May base box. And then I'll show you the spoilers that we have for the premium box. If anybody wants to sign up, I'll have a code for you here at the end. Actually, 2 codes where you get to choose one of these free products to go in your box if you do want to sign up to Boxy. I'll have those at the end. So let's go ahead and start with the base box. First, I'm going to show you what we already know of, and then I'm going to reveal the new ones I just found. So first up is the Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Now that was a choice item, so that is also a variation with the Hourglass Finish Highlight Stick. There will be 4 different shades. Hourglass, another choice item. And then the Elemis Resurfacing Pads. Those 3 were the choice items. So those are variations. You will be getting one of those 3 items in your box. Next up is the Haus Labs Matter Than Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Punk, which is that matte black shade. Next up is the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. And then we have the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eye Primer. And then we have the AM Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Removing Wipes. And then the Trestique Concealer Crayon. Now there are 3 different shades. There is Porcelain, Bisque, and also Toffee. And then we have the Beauty Creations Cali Chic Eyeshadow Palette. Got that one. Absolutely love it. Perfect bronze look will come out of that palette. Next up is the Violet Voss Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. And then we have the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Removing Cleanser. And we have variations. Again, this is the picture we have on the variations. You see a bunch of stuff in this. You see the Ace Beauty Palettes. You see a Hank and Henry liquid eyeliner. You see that Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask. The Baddington Lashes. The Blink Black Lash Primer. You also have Daily Concepts. The Daily Shampoo Bar. The Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duos. You see that Grande Mascara, the Dose of Colors Lip It Up lipsticks, and of course there's a lot more in that picture. So let's go ahead and look at the new ones. So the first one is the Crown Fuego Eyeshadow Palette, and then we have the Deborah Lipman. Now this is a nail polish duo. You get Fire on the Horizon as well as Can't Stop the Feeling. Next up is the Elle Fragrances number 7 A Dew Perfume. Next up is the Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. Now guys, of course you know this isn't even all of the spoilers, and of course as soon as they come out with more I'll update you guys. Now let's go ahead and look at the premium spoilers that we got, and then I'll show you the new ones. First up is the Baddington Powder and Contour Brush Set. Then we have the Milk Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. Next up is the Pure Heal Centella 90 is an ampoule something serum. Then we have the Kevyn Aucoin the Expert Mascara, as well as the Sugar Rush Lip Butter Balm. Then we have that Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer, as well as the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Then we have the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Eye Cream. And then we have the Smashbox Photo Edit Eye Trios. Now the new ones that I just found on this one is the KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Long Wear Matte Eyeliner, as well as the KVD Vegan Beauty 24-Hour Super Brow Long Wear Pomade. Alright guys, now if you are new to BoxyCharm, if you want to sign up, you can get a free gift when you do sign up. Now the free ones up so far is these 2 items right here. This is the Suave Beauty Protege palette, as well as the Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. Now, if you want to sign up with BoxyCharm and you want to get one of these free gifts with your box, to get the Suave Beauty Palette, you are going to put in the code SUPEREYES. Or if you want that hyaluronic acid, you would put in the code Advanced Skin when you do order. Again, one of these will come free with your box. So these are while supplies last. So if you want one of these 2 items free whenever you sign up to BoxyCharm, the link is down below. Go check them out and put in one of these codes. Pick one of these items to go free with your box. I can't stand seeing something passed up for free. And of course, as soon as BoxyCharm reveals anything else or I find any more spoilers, I'm going to update you guys. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Gon's girl Denny. Denny says, can't wait for the avocado sleep mask. Yeah, girl, that looks like that is going to be a nice, relaxing time. And I really hope you get it in your box, honey. And thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And, guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. If you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need you to rate the video. But you're only going to have one option. You could only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.